Welcome back. Sean Diddy Combs will be back in court today for a post-trial hearing. The court is formulating a sentencing schedule that's supposed to happen in October. The hearing comes less than a week after Combs was convicted of 2 of the 5 criminal charges in his sex trafficking and racketeering case. CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman has been following every piece of this and joins us now from outside the courthouse, where I think you live by now. You must know everybody's names. You know all the kind of the crews there back with you. You're a little family. So Katrina, what's supposed to happen today? We know that from Diddy's lawyers, they said that he was greeted with cheers back in the detention center after the verdict. So what business needs to be done in the courtroom today?
Yeah, that's all true, Errol. Today, what's happening is that Sean Combs' team says they want this sentencing to happen as soon as possible. Last week, the judge had tentatively set it for October. They want it much sooner. Last week, Sean Combs' attorney, Mark Agnifilo, was even saying that he'd be willing to waive the ordinary probation report. The judge didn't want to do this, though, Errol. He said the parties here are just too far apart in their viewpoints about this sentencing. The maximum here is 20 years, although last week the prosecution, after doing some calculations, was then estimating more like at least 5 or 6 years. The defense was projecting more like 2 years. So there's just a really big divide here. It's also important to note that Combs has already been detained for 10 months now, so that will count towards whatever his sentence is. And his defense team says they just feel that they have strong arguments for a short sentence. They want this as soon as possible. It's also worth noting that you can't appeal until after your sentencing, so that could be on their minds as well. And
if we remember, the judge denied bail for Combs, I think because of some of the allegations made in court. I'm not, clarify for us why that was, and how likely is it that he walks free soon?
So, Errol, what the judge said here is that one of the factors he takes into account is whether the defendant poses a danger or a threat. And there were also 2 letters submitted, in addition to what the prosecution submitted to the judge, one from Cassie Ventura, that's Sean Combs' ex-girlfriend, a key witness in this trial, and she was tied to some of those charges against him, and another from Deontay Nash, another witness, a friend of Cassie. He had worked with Combs, both witnessed and experienced his violence. And they both said that they felt unsafe with Sean Combs being released. They think he poses a danger to the victims, to the witnesses in this case. Deontay Nash said that he feared retaliation. And what the judge ultimately said is that the defense, his whole defense was this was domestic violence. Sean Combs' actions, they never denied his violence. And as a result, it's just impossible for them to say that Sean Combs does not pose any danger if he's released. And on that basis, he is keeping him detained for now.
Yeah, serious accusations and Sean Combs' defense all around. Katrina Kaufman, across all of it for us. Thank you very much.